Hello everyone, today we will have a look at this portable car type stove, branded Kovab. Model number by the look of it is K-202. I got this for 7,000 Iraqi dinars. That's about $5 US. I bought it from Iraq. I paid in Iraqi dinars and I got two of them because they're cheap. You still can get this from AliExpress, but it will cost you around 20 bucks. So this is the product model K202, commodity name portable car type stove. Specification, these are the dimensions, 112 by 112 by 95 centimeters. Use outdoor camp. Fuel butane, propane. Gross weight 500 grams. Net weight 416. Power 2800 watts. So yeah, it's very tiny, as you can see. You can fold it. Comes in a carrying bag. We have a user manual here. It's just probably the same stuff that we already read. That we just read. Here it says the brand is Torch, and the model number is SMJL202, which is not the same as what's in the box, but I think it's the same one. So this is the carry bag. Inside you find the portable stove, which is very cute. It's tiny, as you can see. You can hold it in your hand. These are the four legs, and you open these, and now it's ready for cooking. The gas bottles goes here. This is the adjustment knob, and this is the ignition button. The spark goes from this side. So let's give it a try and see if it's any good. Okay, so this is a gas bottle. As you can see, we have a notch here, and here we have two things. So to attach the gas bottles, first you put this edge here, then here, and turn it like this. Now it's ready. Let's see. Yeah, it's working good. Very hot. Let's go closer. Okay, I turned the light off so you can see the flame better. So I turn it on like this. It's not easy to adjust, but here you have it. Oh, I should not move the butane gas, otherwise it will make a mess. I'm indoors, so it's not safe. Anyways, let's try to cook something. Well, as you can see, this is already burned because the fire is not, it's not clean. It's going all over the place and it's hard to regulate. And this one doesn't sit well. And that's it. Thank you for watching.